Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is day 8 of the yarn advent calendar countdown, and so Phoebe and I will open our baggies for day 8. Right now Phoebe is sound asleep. She doesn't know I set the camera up. She doesn't know I have her bag on the desk over here, so I'll have to wake her up and ask her does she want her treat. Let's see how that goes. Phoebe, do you want your treat? Phoebe, do you want your treat? Oh, there you are. Did you wake up for a treat, huh? Did you want your treat today? Come here. Oh, her was a sleepy baby. Come on. What is it? I don't know if y'all can see her. She's laying on her belly, hanging out of her bed. Did you want your treat? Okay, come on, let's get a treat. Ooh. That's all, just one piece. One piece, Phoebe, that's all. We'll throw that away. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I'll open my bag for day 8 and see what's in here. Look at here. There's some pretty yarn. Some blue. It's blue, purple, turquoise, and gray. Did I say blue? Yeah, there's some navy blue. Couple shades of purple, turquoise, so that'd be a pretty little stocking. Won't it, Phoebe? Won't this be a pretty stocking? Okay, let me see. What else is in here? Phoebe, look. A packet of hot cocoa. Hot cocoa for you. And I have Santa on it. It's just a I think it's just like a single serve. Yeah, there's like one package in there, so it's like a little single serve of Nestle hot cocoa. I'll have to have that in my mug that I got in day 7's bag. The mug that said I'm only talking to my dog today. Alright, okay, that's cool. So, I read Luke 8 and Luke 8, chapter 8, it reminds me of the song, God on the mountain is still God in the valley. So many times we have faith and everything's all good, but then whenever things are not so good, we no longer have our faith. And so, you know, God is still on the mountain, and He's still the same God when things are going wrong and you're down in the valley. So keep that in mind. And I want to show y'all my stockings, and my over here is just growing. So we have 7, yeah, today's day 8. So we have 7 stockings on there and Christmas cards. One at the very top, one of Ella and her family. So there we go. And I'll be adding another stocking. I'll be making a stocking with this later this afternoon. I'm finally getting caught up on things. Sorry about the shaking of the camera. I'm finally getting caught up on some things going on. I still have a ton of things that I'm not caught up on. But I'm getting caught up on my days and my stockings and things like that. Yeah, I still have like, if the world stopped, I would need it, and me keep going to catch up with everything, I'd probably need a couple months. But anyway, Phoebe's crying because she's wanting another treat. You only get one. You only get one treat. Yeah, I know. I know, if it was up to you, you'd eat the whole bag, wouldn't you? Yeah. Alright guys, I'll talk to you all later.